What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. We're doing our daily update on Jasmy, which is down 10.8% at 2 cents. We were kind of calling a slight pullback here on Jasmy on, I believe it was yesterday or the day before his video, breaking out of that downtrend resistance area and possibly coming back to back test that, which we're currently happening right now. So we're going to monitor that. We're going to look at the indicators where we're currently at and what's the likelihood of us bouncing off this prior resistance flip support. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, everybody, let's get into Jasmy here. This is that downtrend resistance area which we broke out of during our last video. And as you can see, it is now our support. We have to hold it, guys. We have to hold it. This has been our, this was our downtrend since June of 2024. So big test coming here. We already wicked off at once. Indicators right now are starting to cool off a little bit on the day chart. You can see the last two candles have been lighter green. The RSI definitely is pretty toppy right now, starting to see a retracement on that, and the WTX is starting to roll over. So we really need to stay above. Well, I think I was saying yesterday, I was like the 2 cents area. We really need to stay above that 2 cents area for Jazz right now, because if we happen to break back into this triangle, we're most likely coming back down to 1.6 to test that one more time. Regardless, though, everything pumped really hard. A lot of coins broke out of long-term downtrends, including Jasmy, and a lot of coins right now are now back testing those prior support or resistance flip support. So this is pretty much what majority of coins are doing right now, breaking out of long-term resistance and testing them as support. So we'll see how close or how likely this plays out. I think we're set. I think this is the last retracement for Jasmy until we go to the moon. You can see the power of that 618 right here too, at about that 1.8. So I'm actually going to draw a green box right here. I do think what's going to be happening is we have already wicked down to 2 cents. I think the lowest that we possibly go here is, like 185 at the worst. So I'm going to draw a green box right here. That is our support box. That's the box that we cannot break for Jasmy. If we break that, GG, but I don't think that's gonna be the case. I think realistically, Jasmy does have a chance to go to the dollar during the bull run. And why do I say that? Because if you draw a fib from the all-time high to the low, there actually is a fib up here at the 1,236 area, which is at $1.07. Normally during bull runs, as long as the majority of the coins don't get put in circulation during the bear market, the next bull run top is usually around the 1,236, between the 1,236 and 1,618 area right here. So realistically, Jasmy could touch that 1,236 area at $1, and then anything over that's just bonus bucks. That'd be the parabolic phase where everyone's like everything is going to the moon, and then after that everything's just done. So from where we're currently at, that's still a pretty substantial gain. That's that's approximately, a 40, what was that, 40 yeah, 47x possibility going up to the $2 range. So keep a close eye on that, guys. Long-term prediction that technically speaking, it is possible. There is a fib level up there. But in the short term right now, we're not really worried about that. We'll get into that once we start going more crazy during the bull run. Short term, however, like I mentioned, keep an eye on that prior resistance flip support. We have to stay above 2.8 to 2, what I say? No, I would say above 2 to 1.8 for Jasmy in order to maintain this resistance flip support. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.